Alright, this is my 2008 Chevrolet Corvette with the STS Twin Turbo kit on it. Just want to do a quick walk around in case anything in the pictures did not show up. Notice that the headlights probably need to be buffed, re-cleared. Also, there's a little break in the plastic, the rubber piece right there, but I have a new piece for that. 19-inch in the front, 20-inch in the back, Z06 replicas, 325s, 25s in the rear, 275, 30 in the front. Got the car from Florida. The tint on the back window is bubbled pretty ugly, like it's something I was going to have redo but never did. Had some pretty rough sunspots from the Florida sun from the guy that I purchased it from, so instead of doing the hood and the tail section, I had the entire car paint. Pipe for the STS Twin Turbo kit. The listing will say it, but the amp and speaker are not included unless there's a full price offer. Just to show some of the issues, this button right here is cracked, but I do have the piece down there. There's a wear mark on the button there. And also, I just noticed this when I was cleaning the car. Just noticed this today. I've always had it open, so it looks like this piece kind of separated. And the wear on the driver's seat. Picture that as well. That was pretty much like that when I bought it. So, of course, if there are any questions, feel free to ask. Go ahead and start it up so you can hear that.